I used to think Thailand was the undisputed king of Southeast Asia. For years, that's what everyone told me. If you want adventure, you go to Thailand. If you want cheap living, you go to Thailand. If you want the perfect retirement, you go to Thailand. I believed them. I packed my bags, booked the flight, and fully planned to build my life in the so-called land of smiles. But I was wrong. I made the same mistake thousands of travelers and retirees make every year. I confused a great vacation destination with a great place to live. And it cost me money, time, and patience to realize that the real gem of Southeast Asia isn't the one on all the postcards. By the end of this video, I'll show you why Malaysia isn't a second option. Dollar for dollar, quality for quality, it's the better choice for real life, not just a week of partying. We're breaking down rent, food, and the one hidden factor nobody talks about that completely changed everything for me. Let's start with the numbers. Rent. Housing is your biggest expense. In Bangkok, I wanted something simple. A one-bedroom condo, close to public transport, maybe a gym and a pool. The prices shocked me. In decent areas, you're paying $800 to $1,000 a month for tiny spaces. Want a Western kitchen? Pay more. Want to be near the train? Pay double. Now compare that to Kuala Lumpur. In Malaysia, for $500 to $600, I found apartments that felt luxurious. 3 bedrooms, high floors, massive pools, security, space. On average, rent in Malaysia is 45% to 70% cheaper than Thailand for the same quality. That's hundreds of dollars saved every single month. If you're retired or living on a fixed income, that difference decides whether you're surviving or actually enjoying life. Food. Yes, Thailand has amazing street food. A plate of pad thai for $2 is great, but you can't eat street food every day forever. Eventually, you want air conditioning, a sit-down restaurant, a supermarket with real options. That's where Thailand gets expensive. The moment you leave the street stalls, prices jump fast. Imported foods are heavily taxed. A basic Western meal can cost $15 to $20. In Malaysia, the balance is better. Cheap local food still exists, roti canai, nasi lemak, mamak stalls, but supermarkets and regular restaurants don't punish you for wanting variety. You don't feel taxed for eating normally. It's not about the cheapest meal, it's about feeding yourself well every day. Malaysia wins on value and variety. Language. This is the part nobody warns you about. When you're young and traveling, language barriers feel fun. When you're living somewhere, they're exhausting. Try explaining a plumbing issue or a medical concern, or just having a real conversation. In Thailand, the language barrier is real. Unless you master the language, you'll always be an outsider. In Malaysia, that wall doesn't exist. English is widely spoken, properly spoken. You can joke with drivers, talk to shop owners, make friends. Connection matters. Loneliness destroys expat dreams faster than money problems. In Malaysia, I feel included, not tolerated. Pace of life. Bangkok is electric, but electricity burns you out. The traffic is brutal, the noise never stops. Everything feels rushed and aggressive. Malaysia moves differently. The infrastructure works better. The roads make sense. Life feels calmer. There are parks, quiet neighborhoods, space to breathe. Thailand is amazing for a short trip, but for long-term living, give me Malaysia every time. Conclusion. I came to Southeast Asia looking for paradise. I thought paradise was beaches, parties, and cheap beer. But paradise changes as you get older. Paradise is safety, comfort, affordability, belonging. Thailand is incredible to visit, but Malaysia is where I unpacked my bags for good. It gave me dignity, stability, and a life I could actually sustain. If you're thinking about moving abroad, look past the hype. Look past the beaches. Look at the life you want to live every single day. If this helped you, hit like. It helps more than you think. And tell me in the comments, Thailand or Malaysia, and why. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the